Henry McClure live. I'm down at the Republican Party office. This is the office. This is the space between the main office and the back space. So we're going to get some new ceiling tiles in here, get this painted, and we'll figure out what to do for a floor covering when we have some money. You know what I'm saying? Good morning. Good morning. Check this out. This is so nice. Phyllis has been so diligent. Linnell, these guys are working their butts off. Look at this. Look at this, the grand old party, baby. Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. Next to the Celtic Fox. Ooh. I owe Mike Fox a little note. I better send him one. Met Ray the other day. Man, look at this. Look what Ray did. Ray does all that on his own. Ray's got a limo. It's actually only $80 an hour. We need city council people in offices for 13579. We need financial support for all those people running for office in office 13579 and 9. We need financial support for the Republicans. Hey, if you're a Democrat and you're thinking about flipping, come on down here. We've got the training tapes. We got the literature. Linnell said she's checking the box off. She's got a mayor. She's got somebody running for mayor, so she said she'll check that box. If you're thinking of running for city council, come down and meet Linnell. Come down and meet Phyllis. I think the state Republican Party is going to office out of here, which is good. We got a new leader. I'm going to go have some coffee. I'm trying to work a deal with a fellow trying to locate a manufacturer here in Kansas, trying to get in on the real estate deal. Which reminds me, if you think about why it's so important for Go Topeka to be in charge, they get to dole out the leads. Well, you don't know what direction to go?
Forgot my phone.
Oh, all right, I'll call it.
Can't go anywhere without it.
I hear you. It's electronic leash. What do we do? Elon Musk is probably working on Neuralink. Put a phone in your head. All right. Henry McClure live down here. Making it happen. Topeka, Kansas.